Today's Kingstonist News is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union, Kingston's only locally owned credit union serving the community for over 65 years. KCCU, your community, your credit union. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, January 6, 2025. OPP members, South Frontenac Fire Rescue, and Frontenac paramedics responded just after 5:30 p.m. to a report of a commercial express van striking a pedestrian walking on Rosedale Road, which is just north of the village of Sydenham. A 15-year-old from Kingston was pronounced deceased at the scene by paramedics. While police did not identify the victim, a GoFundMe has been set up to assist the family. The driver, a 57-year-old male from Harrowsmith, was located at the scene and spoke to investigators. Alcohol was detected by officers, and breath testing was completed at the roadside. On January 4, 2025, the Kingston Police responded to a shooting that occurred on Princess Street between Barry and Division Street. One victim was treated at hospital for non-life-threatening injuries, and as a result of the investigation, Cameron Floyd Dean is currently wanted by Kingston Police. He is facing charges for aggravated assault, discharge of firearm with intent, and several other firearm-related charges. Dean remains at large, and police say he should be considered armed and dangerous. Anyone with information about the shooting or Dean's whereabouts should contact Detective Joel Fisher at 613-549-4660, extension 6338. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com and subscribe. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.